Alright guys, welcome to the aspect of this tutorial. In our today's tutorial we shall be looking at the more advanced tool of CorelDRAW. We are going to explore more of the feature of which we did discuss on the tools box in our previous part. Actually, we shall be exploring every other tool which we have not explored. Do well to comment your thoughts in the comment section. So let's get started.
Alright guys, welcome to the aspect of this tutorial. In our previous tutorial we stopped at the part 2, which we say it is used for moving of the page to a desired direction or location. Now we are going to start from the freehand tool. What is the work of the freehand tool? We say the freehand tool, just like you hear the name freehand tool, it is a tool that is used for free drawing. The free drawing, just like you have your pencil or your paper that you can do any type of drawing, or drawing of line. Is it drawing of line, drawing of shape, is it curve, depending on how your artistic knowledge, depending on your artistic knowledge, how you know how to draw, how you know how to carve something out. You understand? So the freehand tool or CorelDRAW actually is also one of that tool. It's similar to it. If I pick the freehand pick tool and I start dragging, you can see as I am moving, I am drawing just like my pencil. The way I move my hand, if I decide not to join it, it is a line, but if I join it, it becomes a shape that can be free. So it is used for drawing of shapes and line. So I can draw a straight line either horizontally. Click here, then you move to where you want to draw the straight line. You click either horizontally or vertically. You can draw a slanted line. You can draw any type of line you want to draw, as simple as that. So that is the work of the freehand pick tool. It is used for drawing a shape, and also it is used for drawing shapes and also lines, any kind of line you want to draw. So we have the 2 points line. The 2 point line is also used for drawing of line. It is used for drawing of line. That is the work of the 2 point line. We only use it for drawing of line, nothing like drawing of shape. Now you can draw like this. If you want to draw like this, straight line like this, you drag. You want to draw a vertical line, you draw like this, you release your hand. So that is the 2 point line. That is the work of the 2 point line. You can see this is 1 point up, this is another up point down. And if you are working with a horizontal line, you see 1 point by the left and the second point by the right. So it is called 2 point line because it is only used for drawing of line, like we just demonstrate. So the next one is the Bezier tool. So the Bezier tool is also used for drawing of line and shape. So you can drag like this. Where you drag, you can move. Maybe want to do whatsoever thing you want to do. You can come and join it here like this. Now I've drawn something. So in this regard now, sorry, I want to do something in this regard. I need to curve this thing back. Just want to have a similar aspect. Let them be of the same size and dimension. So it is a Bezier tool. Bezier tool is used for drawing of shape. So gotten something in this nature. You can use it to sketch anything. It depends on you how good you are on sketching. So we use a Bezier tool for sketching. You can sketch anything you want to sketch, as the case may be. So that is that on that aspect. Now let's move to that of the pen tool. The pen tool is also used for drawing of line and shape. Now, why you use the normal other tools? The pen tool, you need to click when you are done with your drawing. If for instance this is the type of line I want to draw, if this is the type of line I want to draw, assuming this is the last aspect I need to click for my drawing to be concluded, I need to double click so that the tool will be free. But if you don't double click, you can see as I keep moving it's going with it. So when you reach the last aspect of your drawing of line, or whether you are drawing shape, you have to double click. If I don't join it, it is just an outline. But when I join the line from the point of start to the point of end, if I join them together, it becomes a shape. You can do like this. This is what I'm talking about. For instance, if I come here, come and double click, it becomes a shape. But you see the rest of these ones, they are line because I did join it. So that is the work of the pen tool. The pen tool is used for drawing of shapes and line. So we can try it out. The next one we have to deal with is a B-spline tool. The B-spline tool is used for drawing of shape. Also, we call it let me say I want to draw a cycle with a B-spline, or let me say an egg shape. I have to drag in any direction I want. Then the more I move, this shape follows it, and I will join. It is not that perfect, but if you still want to further edit, you can edit to make it perfect, give it a perfect. It is called a B-spline because of its features. As you draw, you see this thing moving with it. See this thing moving with it. It's just used for drawing of shape. You can draw any type of shape as far as you are good in drawing. So this type of shape does not work with the one that will be that have so many edge and all of that. Mostly it works with shapes that are round. They are round in nature. So that is the work of the B-spline tool. We have the polyline. The word poly simply means many. So the polyline is used to draw shape of various sides. For instance, maybe I'm not good in drawing. For instance, we want to draw something of this nature. Can you see that? So far, we have been able to draw a polygon having 5 sides. Yes, you can see we have been able to draw this. So you can draw anything, any shape of any side with the help of the polyline. Its work is to help you to draw any shape that have so many sides, such as to be 2 sides, 3 sides. Even if it is square you want to draw, it is triangle you want to draw, it can help you. So that is that on the the polyline. Then we have the 3-point curve. The 3-point curve is used for drawing of a curved line, either a vertical curved line, a horizontal curved line. Now, if you want to draw a horizontal curved line to face either the right or the left, you need to drag this thing from up.
If you know that this is the type of video you want to watch, please do well to subscribe, like our channel, and don't forget to share.
up to down. Then when you finish dragging, you can move here now. When you release your hand for dragging, you can now, it will be like this. Then you can now move here. If you want it the curved line like this to be facing the left side, you can now click. But if you don't want it to face the left side but the right side, you can now turn it and click. And if you want to draw a vertical curved line, you can drag horizontally. Then you can now move. Do you want it to face up or to face down? Either of your choice. Then you click. So it is called 3 points. It is called 3 points curve. Now we have the live sketch. The live sketch, it provides you with a pen that you can use to sketch, just like the freehand tool is there. But the only difference between the live sketch and the freehand tool, the freehand tool here, like we discussed the freehand tool, this freehand tool. The freehand tool is that when you draw anything you are drawing. When you draw anything that you are drawing, you are not normally presented with anything to edit, maybe your points, maybe any error in your work, as the case may be. But the live sketch, let's assume I draw something like this. The live sketch now, if you come back with the pen, you'll be able to continue your drawing or to take it back. Let's say boarding bus. So the live sketch, if I come back, I'll be able to continue from anything. You can see they are joined together. I'll be able to cut this side. So you can continue whatsoever thing you are doing in this place. You can even move this one that you have drawn upward to another side. You can come and join it here. They have the ability to give you to react to you are drawing within the, whether you are seeing on the process or you save, you close the work and you open it, it gives you the ability to re-edit it. That is the difference between the freehand tool and the live sketch, which the freehand tool does not give you the ability to do that, but the live sketch gives you the ability to do that. And on the other hand, we have the smart drawing tool. The smart drawing tool, it is a tool that is used to draw shape online. But the difference between the smart drawing tool and other tool is that the smart drawing tool, just like you hear the name smart, it is very smart. It identifies shape which a user is trying to draw and correct every error. For instance, I want to draw a circle. Mind you, for it to correct, your error must not be much. Now I want to draw a circle. So I draw it. You can see when I draw it was initially raw, but the moment you release your hand, it will identify that yes, this thing you draw is close substitute to a perfect circle. Okay, let me correct it for this person. So that is the work of the freehand, live smart drawing tool. So you see this, it turns this to a triangle. It corrects shape. Once you notice whatever thing you are trying to draw, the moment you release your hand, it is going to correct it and give you a perfect draw. You can see because of this shape I just draw, it's not close to any shape. It's not close to any shape we can identify. So what it just does for me is that it corrects this place, making it sharp for me, but it does not change it to another shape, as the case may be. So even if you have to draw a circle and the nature of your error is so much, it might not correct it for you. Just like you see that it only smoothing the surface but does not correct the shape. So your shape must be close to whatever thing you want to draw. You don't just draw anytime you take it to just identify and give you your shape. It must be close, and then let the error not be too much. Like most of us, when we draw, our hand is not straight. So that is the tool we are supposed to use to correct whatever thing we want to draw So we are stopping here in this aspect or this part of this tutorial. So do well to check the next part for continuation. Thank you.
So far, so good. If you got value from our video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love you.